What's up everyone, and welcome to today's video. So today's video I want to concentrate on the Hedera blockchain. Now at the moment there's a bunch of different projects upcoming over there, and obviously alongside that comes a bunch of airdrop opportunities as well. So I wanted to do like a little guide tutorial kind of thing to show you guys how to get yourself set up and get yourself positioned to being the best chance of getting some of these airdrops. Now, the Hedera blockchain is not an EVM compatible blockchain, so you won't be able to add it to your MetaMask. You'll actually have to download a different wallet. So the best one that I see is HBAR. So if you want to go over onto their, first thing to do is to go over onto their website, HBAR, and HBAR is actually only compatible with Chrome browser if you want to add it as an extension. However, they do have a web app as well where you can just log into it through there. And then the first thing obviously you need to do is you need to add that web extension or sign into their app and create yourself a wallet. Now it's pretty straightforward. It's just how you would do creating any other wallet like your MetaMask or your Trust wallet or anything like that, where they will ask you to give the wallet a name. They will show you the seed phrase. You've got to note that seed phrase down somewhere safe on a piece of paper, not on your computer, and then just keep following the steps until you have your own wallet. Now once you've got your own wallet created, it should look a little something like this, and the first thing you need to do is you need to get some of the native token of Hedera on your wallet, which is HBAR. Now the reason for this is because the airdrops, most of the airdrops that are happening require you to have a certain amount of HBAR on your wallet to prevent from bot attacks and Sybil attacks and stuff like that. So from what I've been seeing from some of the airdrops that have been happening so far, they require a minimum of 100 HBAR, which is nothing. It's about $5 or $6 or something like that. But I went and added a little bit more into there because HBAR does charge you 1 HBAR for adding a token onto their wallet, which is what you're going to need to do to make yourself eligible for most of these airdrops. So obviously the next step is to then get some HBAR onto your wallet. Now the best way to do this would just be to transfer it from any centralized exchange. I know for sure that Binance and Bybit both allow deposits and withdrawals between Hedera and the centralized exchanges. So if you have a Binance account or a Bybit account, and I'm sure there's some others as well, you just need to go and get yourself a small amount of HBAR, and then I recommend about 200, and then transfer that to your wallet. Obviously your wallet address will be this thing up here in the top left corner. And then once you've done that, you've got a couple of hundred HBAR in your wallet. What you want to do now is you want to search for these upcoming projects on Hedera, and you want to go ahead and add the tokens and then do any other sort of tasks that are linked to these airdrops. Usually it's just as simple as just adding their token in here and having a certain amount of balance of HBAR and you will be eligible. But there is other things as well. For example, here I've been keeping a track of some of the airdrops that have been happening currently. Now most of these airdrops aren't available anymore, they're now finished. However, this bottom one here, SpaceBars, could well still be open at the moment, but obviously it's time dependent on when you're watching this video and obviously the time this video is being filmed. By the time you're watching it, maybe this one won't be available anymore. But one thing I do recommend is I put a link to my Discord group in the description of this video. If you go ahead and join there, I'll try and update every time I see an eligible airdrop for Hedera. I will kind of stick it in there and show you any other steps that's required. Because as you can see here, some of them do require you to hold a minimum amount of a certain token or a certain amount of HBAR, and they also sometimes require you to submit some type of form or something like that. And yeah, so it's pretty much just as simple as that. Once you've got everything set up here like this, you'll be ready and eligible for any of the upcoming projects, and obviously just stay up to date with my posts and my Discord channel, and you will hopefully be able to get yourself eligible for some future airdrops. Kind of similar to what happened on Solana in the past, or something like that is what you can expect. And yeah, so I think that's it for the tutorial today, guys. Obviously I will try and update my Discord server as often as possible every time I do see an upcoming airdrop and stuff like that. And yeah, so thanks for listening as always, guys. If you did take something out of this video, please do like and subscribe, and then share it with your friends as well. It will help me out a lot. And yeah, so thanks for listening, guys, as always, and until next time, bye.